Okay guys, I got message from some of you telling me that ClickBank doesn't work in your country. So today we are going to talk about Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you how you can promote multiply products from Digistore24 by driving targeted free traffic. And for that we are going to use a well-known website that for some reason not many people use. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. But before we begin, I have to say that even though this is a Digistore24 affiliate marketing method, you can successfully use it for ClickBank, for JVZoo, Warrior Plus, to promote your own product, to build your own mailing list. And like I said, even though this is a Digistore24 method, it is not restricted only for Digistore24. So with that being said, now we can start. Obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to go on Digistore24 and you need to choose your niche. And because we are talking about Digistore24 affiliate marketing, I'm going to scroll here and I'm going to click here on Internet Marketing and e-business. And what you need to do, you need to choose product to promote. Now, like I said, you can promote multiple products, but you can also promote just one product. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to promote 3 products. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Tube Mastery by Matt Parr, and let's say I wish to promote this product here, Get Paid to Use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and let's say this product here, Click Wealth System. So let's say I wish to promote these 3 products. So what I need to do, I need to open their sales pages in new tab to check them out, and also because I am going to need their sales pages in order to write a short review for each of these products. And those short reviews should be between 100 and 200 words long. And you can visit their sales pages to get some basic information about each of these products. And just based on that, you will write a short review for each of these products. For Tube Mastery, for let me just find it, Get Paid to Use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and also for Click Wealth System. Like I said, you need to write a short 100 to 200 words review for each of these products. Okay, now when we have our 3 products that we wish to promote, now we need to make our bridge page because most of the websites do not allow direct affiliate links. And it would be best if you can actually publish that short article on your blog. And you can make your blog on System.io, or even better, you can make it on Blogger. Blogger is owned by Google, and you can even add your custom domain and you will get a free hosting. But for this purpose, we are going to use Google Sites. If you have Gmail account, you have Google Sites. So what you need to do, you need to click here on blank to create a new Google site. And first I'm going to change this header type. So just click here on header type and let's say title only. And I need to add title. Okay. So I will say something like this. 3 realistic ways to make money online in 2022, because it is end of December of 2021. So 2022 is better title. So I can actually make this bold. Just click here on this B for bold and I can just do this, okay, and do this. Okay, let me just make it like this. Okay, this is the title. So next thing I need to do, I need to add an image. I always advise to open your articles with an image. And I need to double click here and then click here on upload to upload image. And I strongly advise to use royalty-free images from websites like Unsplash, Pixabay, or Pexels, because if you use images that are not royalty free, Google can ban you, okay? And you should find images that in this case represent someone who is working from home, something like this. So let me just enlarge this image like this, okay? Give it a second. As you can see, this guy is obviously working from his home, and this is make money online, so this image actually makes sense. And it is also interesting and a bit eye-catchy. So you should take in consideration stuff like that. Okay, so next I need to add my article. So again, just double click here and then click here on TT for text. And now I need to add text. I already prepared a short article review for these products. So let me just Ctrl C for copy and I will paste it here. Okay. And now I need to add my affiliate links. For that, simply go on Digistore24, click here on promote to get your affiliate link for this product here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Then go back on your Google Sites and let me just scroll here, Social Media Manager, and then you can highlight this and then click on this little chain, click here, and you can paste your affiliate link, your Digistore24 affiliate link, and then click here on apply, and that's it. And you should do this for all 3 products. And you ideally you wish to promote 4, 5, 6 products at the same time. You don't want to promote too many products, but you don't also want to promote just 1 product, even though you can. But I would advise to promote 5 products is a really good number. 5 products, okay? And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on publish. And now you need to choose a web address. So let's say Digistore24, let's say Zoran for this example. Okay, to see if is it available. Yes, it is available. And then click here on publish. Give it a few seconds. And that's it. It published this article. It published this 1-page Google site. And when I click here, this is a link to my Google site where I promote these Digistore24 affiliate products. So next thing we need to do, we need to start driving traffic to our 1-page site, to our bridge page. To drive targeted free traffic to our bridge page, we are going to use Reddit. Reddit is getting more than 1.5 billion visits every month. And most of the Reddit users are coming from United States. So Reddit has a huge potential for affiliate marketing. So what I need to do, I need to go on Reddit, and here in search bar, I will simply type, in this case, how to make money online. And Reddit will give me all the posts that where people asked how to make money online, how to make money online, how to make money online in 2021, how to make money online fast, how to make money as a broke with $0, and so on and so on. And when you scroll here, give it a second, it will upload even more posts where people ask how to make money online. And what you need to do, you need to add a comment to each of these posts, and there is tons and tons of posts where people ask how to make money online. So for example, let me just open this first one, how to make money online. Let me just open it in new tab to add my comment. So when you open this, you can see in what subreddit this post was made. You can see it here. Here you can see how many members this subreddit has, and here you can see how many people is currently on this subreddit. And this is the question, as you can see here. So all you have to do is just provide a valuable answer. And when you scroll here, you will see that top comment have only 3 upvotes. And if you provide a valuable comment that provides value, people will give you upvotes, and you will get very easily as a top comment. So what you can do is you can simply go back here and let me just copy this, Control C, I will paste it here, okay, and just copy this, start a YouTube channel, Control C, and paste it here. And I will also copy this, Control C, go back on Reddit. Let me just go in another row. And I can also say something like this, Control C, and let me just move to another row. You can read more details on my website. And then you need to go back to your Google site or to your blog, website, or wherever you posted this short article. Click here, copy link. Okay, go back on Reddit. So what you need to do, you need to actually highlight this and then click here on this little chain, and you need to insert your link here. Just paste it here, click insert, and that's it. I added a link. And then simply click here on comment, and you will leave your comment. Like I said, you wish to add at least 4, 5, 6, maybe even 10 ways to make money online, in this case, on this list. And then simply tell people to go to your blog, to your website, or wherever you publish your article, to read in more details how they can start their YouTube channel and make money, how they can make money as a social media manager, and so on and so on. And like I said, just go back here and then simply leave a comment providing value on all of these posts where people asked how to make money online. But you cannot add a same comment to all of these posts because you will be marked as spammer and Reddit will ban you. You must leave different comments on all of these posts. You don't need to change that much, just change them a bit and just leave your comment, and if you get 1 or 2 or 3 upvotes, your comment will be a top comment. Now this is a tip, this is what I do. I actually tell all of my friends and family to go on Reddit and register. Reddit is free, so it will cost them nothing. And whenever I make a new post on Reddit or whenever I make a new comment on Reddit, I tell them just go on Reddit and give me an upvote. In that way, very easily, I get upvotes. And as you can see here, top comment have only 3 upvotes. So if I get 4 upvotes, my comment will be a top comment on this post here, and most of the traffic from this question will actually go to me because I left a link to my website. And Reddit will not ban you if you use your Google Sites or if you use your own blog or website. So that is really important, but you cannot use direct affiliate links. And also some of these questions are ranking on Google. As you can see here, this is from Reddit, as you can see here. And not just that, but that will also drive free traffic to the Reddit and also from Reddit to your blog or website. And not just that, but that will also improve your ranking on Google because that will be a valuable backlink in the eyes of Google. And that is why Reddit is really, really powerful. You can get lots and lots of free and targeted traffic from Reddit to your affiliate offers. So this is how you do Digital 24 affiliate marketing as a beginner by driving free traffic without website. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.